Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I am standing in front of the all-new 2026 Kawasaki H2. We're going to do an unboxing video and install video of the tow hooks. Now the tow hooks will fit on the front and the back, same part number. They do ship separately, so you're going to need two of them if you're going to do one on the front and one on the back. Little bit of a tip, they will work with the Kawasaki bumpers. If you're doing aftermarket bumpers, no promises there. So let's get this baby unboxed. Show you what comes in the kit. Basically, part number 99994-1315. Inside here, you're gonna have the actual tow hook itself. So we're always looking for somewhere to tie a machine down or to pull your buddy out of the mud or the sand. This is a great way to do it. Your instructions on all Kawasaki product are going to have a QR code that you can scan and enter the part number, but you don't need that because you got Big Pine Sports YouTube channel to show you how to get things done. So you got a couple bolts, couple nuts, and your tow hook there. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to get your tow hook, you're going to get your bolt, and you're going to feed it through, and you're going to be able to get your hand on the back side very easily. It's a little more difficult when you have the winch installed, but it can still be done, no problem. I'm not even a mechanic and I can do this stuff. So with the tow hook, I call this kind of one of those accessories that you just need to put on. It's a must-have. And then I got a dead battery, of course. I'll grab a new battery. Anyway, around the back side. That was professional, right? So let's come around the back. Shad must have used that last. I had that ready to go for this video, I thought. So same thing around the back side. Same kit, same bolt, same part number, same all of the above. And on the back side here, you don't have quite as much room for the bolt or for the nut and getting your hand around the back side. But basically all you're gonna do is throw that baby up in. You can put in the bolt on the other side to hold it up if you'd like. Go around the back side, tighten those nuts down. There is not an official torque spec on this, but just tighten it up. Let me switch sides here with you. Now, if I'd had my battery charged, which I clearly did not, it would have probably added another 30 seconds to the install, but that's all you got. It's easy to do. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We have these in stock. If you guys are lucky enough to get an H2, we do have the tow hooks in stock. We have a lot more unboxing videos to come. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for now, I'm out. Let's go.